Hello everyone, my name is Osman and I am a senior financial analyst with extensive knowledge in finance, economics, and accounting. Today's tutorial is going to be short and it's all about custom date formats. And the central question I'm going to try to address here is why custom formats does not work in Excel. As a financial professional, a senior financial analyst working with data, these are some of the questions that I might help you answer. So the simple question is rely on the so-called illusion of dates, So let's start with a simple but powerful truth, the illusion of dates. So this means that not everything that looks like dates is actually dates. So when you see this number here, you might think it's dates, but it's not dates. And that's one of the reasons why these um, so-called custom function doesn't work. So let press Control T. By pressing Control T and let apply a custom function, let's use the year, the 4 digit cell, the month, and date. And once I click OK, you will see nothing happens here. Nothing happens because it shows this is not a real number date. It's not a numerical value. And if I click here as well and I go here to general, it does not convert to serial numbers. So let's cross verify this just by using the isNumber function. And it has one criteria which is value. And let's just highlight the values here that we want to cross check and press enter. You can see it tells us automatically these are not numbers, they are text. All right, this is the first part of this tutorial. The next part, we're gonna look more in depth into it and to see how we can convert this number into a numerical value. So see you there and have fun.